I have been staying here for the better part of 2 months now. This is a fairly new concept that we're introducing into the program. We just noticed that the year in of itself with Phase 4 guys, or just guys that graduate the program in general, would struggle a little bit with navigating through their recovery plans on their own when they would leave. So we introduced this concept of agency. Which we want the guys to understand in the way of you taking ownership of your recovery and doing the next right thing. There's right choices and wrong choices in your recovery, in your walk with Christ, and in life in general. So we want to remove that scaffolding that Restore builds when you first come in. So when you progress forward and you get to that last stage, we really want the guys to be able to take ownership of their recovery and implement that recovery plan that they're going to use when they leave.
Launch House, I've been like a little under 2 months now. My life has gotten just totally better in every way possible. They help you in every way possible. You know, I've been to 30-day programs and stuff like that, and but they help you. I mean, your walk with Christ, which is what I was missing throughout my sobriety for years now. And I think that's the biggest thing. But I mean, they help you with work. They help you learn about addiction, like the psychology of it, I guess you'd say. And then they just help you be able to build the relationships with your family, with brothers. Build a community with church. AA, just everything. Every way you could think that they could help you, it helps you just get your life back together. I got a sponsor since I came here. I got a home group. It's just been giving me a chance to, because we have Restore, but it's given me a chance to make a community outside of Restore. Sobriety isn't something that you'll ever be finished with, I guess, but it takes time to get to a point where you get back to what life is supposed to be like 60-day programs and stuff. I say they get you clean long enough to start thinking right, and then you leave with no job, no plan. You just kind of feel like you're tossed back out there, which is this place. You can start planning your life.